Essentials of Real Estate Management. This comprehensive training guide is designed to equip you with essential tools and standard administrative duties needed to excel in real estate management with confidence and finesse. We will explore the responsibilities, skills, and qualities that make a great realtor and assistant. Real estate is a field that offers endless opportunities for growth and success, and also personal fulfillment. However, it can be a little overwhelming and challenging, especially for newcomers. Real estate is not just about buying and selling properties, it's about building relationships and understanding the unique needs of clients and delivering exceptional service. This training guide will walk you through the process of becoming a trusted advisor and a valuable resource for your clients, ensuring their satisfaction and earning their loyalty. As you embark on this transformative journey, always remember that learning is a continuous process. The real estate industry is constantly evolving, and staying informed and adaptable is key to your long-term success. So embrace the challenges, leverage the opportunities, and let this training guide be your constant companion. Visit my Stand store for more information about this coaching program. Let me know if you have any questions. I want to help you.